This YouTube channel has almost 1 million subscribers only with 108 videos. They are making just simple short videos about animals. And look at this channel, it has nearly 2.5 million subscribers. Their short videos are getting over 20 million views. There are so many YouTube channels that are making huge money by uploading animal-related short videos. You can also make this kind of channel and enter in this million-dollar industry. If you don't have any resources or video editing skills, don't worry, in today's video, I will introduce an AI tool that can create stunning short videos with your idea. You don't need to do anything. AI will do everything for you. If we're feeling excited, without further ado, let's dive in. Introducing Filky AI, it's a text-to-video AI tool. I will put the link in the description box. For creating your first video, click on Start for free. Create an account with your Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, or email address. After creating an account successfully, you will be redirected to the Filky AI dashboard. A tutorial video will appear. You can watch the tutorial if you want. Here you can see some projects that I created before. If you first time in Filky, then you will find a blank page. Alright, click on New File to create a new video. Now you have to answer some questions about your project. First, you have to select video or audio, which kind of content you want to make. I will select video. Then select your video language. You can create videos in more than 30 languages. I will select English. After that, the accents. Select the accents you want. Then you have to give a name to your video. And finally, select your Start With option. You can start with an empty file, blog post, or idea, and with a tweet. Let's start with an empty file. This is the Filky Creator page. Here you will find several options. First, it is a common scene. This block is mainly used for background music. Next, it is the scene. Here you can add text for voiceover and visuals. Then at the top, you will find the Convert button. It's a very important tool for Filky. With the Idea to Video tool, you can create a full-length video by giving a simple text prompt. Next, in the Blog to Video tool, you can convert any blog post into a stunning video. Then it's PPT to Video. With this tool, you can create a video with your PowerPoint presentation. And finally, it's Twitter to Video. It's very interesting. You can turn your Twitter post into a fascinating video. That's very impressive. We should try the tool. Okay, that's not today's topic. But definitely, we will try the first tool, Idea to Video tool. Let's select the Idea to Video tool. Today I will create a short video about dogs. So, I am writing the life of a dog as my idea. Next, you can change the video duration. There are 3 options. The first one is short video, where you can create a maximum 1-minute video. In the medium video option, you create a video around 2 minutes long. And in the long option, you can create around a 5-minute long video. Today we will create a short video, so I am selecting the short video option. Okay, now select your video style. There's so many styles are available here. I will select the informational style. After all is set, click on the Submit button. Filky AI has generated a dog-related video for us. You can customize the video if you want. I always suggest giving proper time to customization. Then you will get a better result. Let's make some customization to our video. You can notice Filky has generated a total of 7 scenes in our video. In the first scene, it generated just 1 line, which is the idea name I had entered. I think it should not be a part of our video, so I will delete this scene. For deleting the scene, click on the 3-dot menu form here and select Delete. Now in the second scene, if you want to change the visual, then click on Layout. Now you will find a vast number of royalty-free stock videos, images, and GIFs. You can generate your own AI art by giving a text prompt. You can upload your own footage also. Alright, come back to Stock Library. Now I will search for dog footage. Select the best footage for your video. Some of the footage is not accessible in the free subscription. Now I am going to share an important trick. While you creating a short video, always try to make the scene short. I always recommend creating a scene for every complete line. In this scene, there are only 2 complete lines. I will divide it into 2 scenes. To do this, just cut the second line and then hit the plus icon under the scene block. It will create a new scene block. Now paste the text into the text box. After that, click on the Visual tab and then select the perfect stock footage for your video. In this way, do this for every scene. Now a very important part of this video is selecting a voice model for your voiceover. There are more than 120 voice models in different languages and accents. Select a perfect voice model. And yes, don't forget to click on the checkbox of Apply this voice to all the voiceover. Otherwise you have to change the voice model of every scene block. On the right side of the preview panel, you can customize the voiceover audio volume and speed. I will recommend using high-paced scenes in short videos. You can increase voiceover speed to make the video high-paced. But be careful, don't make it too fast. Alright, now go to the top of the panel. Here you will find the Setting button. In the Settings tab, you will find some important settings, such as aspect ratio, effect, and others. I will change the aspect ratio to portrait, because it's the best aspect ratio for YouTube Shorts. If you want to create Reels for Instagram, then leave it square. Now another important part of creating a short video. Subtitles create a huge impact in the short video. So, you have to create subtitles visually stunning and readable. I will place the subtitle in the center of the video. Then select an eye-catching font for your subtitle. I will change the size to large. Then the display option. I will suggest using word-by-word subtle, because it makes video impactful. After that, select the text color. Always use an eye-catching and attractive color. I am using yellow color. You can change the subtitle background color also. I will use the black color, but decrease the opacity. After that, add some animation to your subtitle. Next, you can create an audio visualization also. And change the visualization's color, position, and opacity also. Now come to the Background Music tab. You can change the background music. There are a huge number of royalty-free music available here. You can increase or decrease the volume if needed. After all is set, make a quick review. If all is set, click on the Download button. And then click the Start Export button. Now Filky will take some time to export your video. Let's fast forward this part. Okay, our first short video is ready. Let's have a look at the video.
Meet man's best friend, the loyal, loving dog. Born into a world of exploration, every sniff is a new discovery. Puppies learn and grow quickly. Playtime is learning time, shaping their social skills and behaviors. Training is vital in a dog's life. It's not about tricks, it's about good manners and clear communication. Proper nutrition strengthens their body, sharpens their mind, and fuels their playful spirit. It's more than just meals. Healthcare is key. Regular vet visits ensure a long, healthy life, filled with love and wagging tails. Embrace the life of a dog, a journey of joy, companionship, and unconditional love.
Now to save the video on your device, click on Download File. And the file will be saved on your device. In this way, you can create unlimited short videos with Filky AI. After generating shorts video, upload the videos on YouTube and earn passive money. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of creating YouTube Shorts with Filky AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!